What are some common misconceptions about lawyers and the legal profession that you frequently encounter?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of misconceptions about lawyers. I mean, obviously, there's suits, there's movies out there about lawyers. There's TV series like Suits, L.A. Law, Law and Order. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, I'm coming to this fancy office and Steve's wearing a nice suit. He doesn't really work hard. He just makes easy money and pushes papers around and doesn't have to do anything and just makes good money. I think that's a big misconception. And the thing that clients need to understand is, like, when you go to your doctor's making money and they're tending to your injuries or your concerns at a doctor visit. It's important for a lawyer to keep their clients informed and meet with them, but the hard work is done behind closed doors when you're preparing that brief or your arguments to go to court for an application or trial. There's a lot of paperwork involved in law, and unfortunately, clients don't see the hard work. Like last night, I was here until 8:30 at night in the evening because I had an application this morning in application justice chambers at a Court of King's Bench in Calgary, and I got up at 5 in the morning, went to the gym for an hour, and came back to the office at 7. And clients don't see that, and so there's that misconception. I would really almost like to have like Netflix or somebody do a day in the life of Steve Grover and follow us around the office. We're not just drinking coffee and eating cookies and watching ESPN.com and wearing our suit and tie. We're actually working hard. We're rolling up our sleeves, and a big part of that is we have a lot of good support work in our office, like legal secretaries, paralegals, other lawyers that do a lot of work for us. And there's a whole team environment. So I think clients need to understand there's a lot of work done behind closed doors when they're not in the office. And I think that's just, something I think people really need to understand what lawyers do.